What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video. Still at the Citadel. They got some other shops. Let's go look around a little bit. Alright, let's go check out this Reebok store, man. If they got some pumps for Iverson, I'm gonna be so happy. That's kind of what I come here for. Graphic tees for $13. Pretty decent deal. Got a ton of them. Got tons of apparel too. I already see some Iverson apparel, $65. You do get an extra 50% off. These Reebok hoodies are pretty dope. I only see size extra large. Oh, they got large as well here. Okay. Got some of the question merch here as well. These are small. Prices are hella good. Damn, dude. Yeah, $65. You do get 50% off. Yeah, they got mediums. They got small. They got all kinds. Okay. Especially for $65 and then 50% off $32.50. That's what's up. Oh, and they got the pants. They got everything, dude. They got everything. Not bad. Oh, see, they got these in medium too, and the shorts. That's what's up. How much are these shorts? I don't have any Reebok shorts. $35. So what's $17.50? Not bad. This is my favorite aisle here. Dude got tons of stuff. Not everything on sale, unfortunately. Solution mids on sale. $80. You get an extra 50% off. That's hella dope. You got sizes, man. Got plenty of sizes up to size 12. Got these blue ones. Sizes a little more limited on these. Then the white and black one. These only go up to what size? Oh, these go to size 13. Got some of the Insta Pump Furies, which I'm not a huge fan of these. 75 prices, all right. These not on sale. They did get more up to size 11, but not on sale though, man. Give us a sale on these. These used to be on sale. Dude got the, what are these, the Answer 4s, right? These are the Answer 4. Yeah, the Answer 4s. No sale. And then a slight sale on these at $100. Okay. Dude got some Nanos, some of the CrossFit stuff right here. Got a few of them, but nothing too crazy. The Flexigons, what the hell is that? Resonator mids, some of that OG stuff. I don't know if I'm digging these as much. Yeah, they're here. Do gotta check the clearance section real quick. Do got these are the Club Legacy C's, go for, what is the $89.97, so 50% off, $45. These have been here for eons forever. Got these mids right here, question mids, go for $130. You get a little discount. Got these, we've seen these at the retail stores for what, $40, $30, $40, I don't know. Yeah, 75. That's what, 38, 37.50. Got these in the size 8, go for $130. These as well. This with the extra long box. What the hell is this? The Nano X1s. Huge sizes, not too much. Got these Club C Legacy Revenge, go for $70. That's before the discount. Also got these for $85. These workout. Oh no, these are the legit ones. These are the, what is it called? The Club C's. $85. That's not bad. Size 13. Go for $75. That's not bad. Not at regular price, but with the discount, not too shabby. All this 50% off. That's $80. Nothing too crazy. It's smaller sizes. They do have some Iversons on sale. Pretty dope, but other than that, not too much. All right, let's go to the next shop. Do got a New Balance. Got room for a line, but they ever get a line? I don't. All right, let's go look at New Balance. Their sale here seems to be buy one get one 50% off. All right, we'll check out the aisles real quick. Let's see what's going on with the clearance section. Deal with the clearance section, 30% off. Okay. These do not look like 574s, but that's what it says right here. What the heck? The midsole looks way different, but okay, 574s. These go for what, $80? These are size 10.5. 515s go for $70. 327s go for $80. These are all the prices before the 30% discount. Got a bunch of these, size 9 here as well. These are Omnis? These were the original Omnis, right? $50, you do get that extra 30% off. So is that $35? Okay. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen for the Omni ones. That's not bad. 577s. I'm not really familiar with those. $80. And the bigger sizes, not seen much. These what, 680s? I never heard of these. Go for 80. Some 574s. I like those. Go for 80 bucks. 327 size 12. Go for 80. All right, let's check out the aisles. Yeah, they got some trail running shoes. Stuff I've never heard of, to be really honest. If y'all recognize some of these, y'all do. 515s. Y'all know I'm not like super familiar with New Balance like that. Tons of different colorways of these 515s, just the whole aisle. Wow. 300s right here. Never really seen these. Old school look. Leather looks pretty decent. Okay. 85 bucks excluded from the discount. Some of these 327s, look, another 30% off. So $80 you get 30% off. Then the one right next to it, buy one get one 50 off. 608s right here. These look like the Monarchs. And they're excluded from the promo. These look exactly like the Monarchs. That's funny. Got some 880s. These are some running shoes. Oh, dude, got the 1080 V11s. Like their premier running shoe right here. None of it on sale though. That's probably why they got plenty of sizes, plenty of colorways too. All right, did not much going on here. Nothing too crazy. All right, let's go check out some more shops. All right, last store, checking out Adidas. They got some steals here sometimes. Let's go see what they got. I don't even know what their sales are, but they usually got good deals. All right, seems like their discount, additional 40% off most stuff. I miss being out and about. There was a kid in a stroller over there staring at me while she's like picking her nose. Kids are funny. All right, let's check out the basketball section here real quick. Dawn issue 3s. This is off of 120. Only goes to size 8. Smaller sizes for these as well. All off of one. This one's off of 110. Okay. Rebel Cross. Never even seen these before. This is off of 160. Hardened volume 6s up to size 7.5. What's up with all these small sizes? The step backs. I think it's probably 40% off of 90. That's it for baseball. Got some Predators. These are $229.97. 50% off. Damn. That's their premier one. This is off of 80 right here. That's more like it for me. These are pretty dope. ZX 420s. Okay. Color a little off, but material's just amazing. That suede is just ridiculous on that. 110, 40% off. Tons of sizes. This is interesting. Never seen these. ZX 5000s. Never seen that colorway. Okay. That's 110, probably 40% off. Stan Smith, we've seen these here a ton of times. So the one Tinkerbell is $60 freaking dollars. 50 off of that. Who's this on this one? I don't know who that is. Is that just Stan Smith? I don't know. Okay, got these. $110, 50 off. Halloween version right here of the Superstars. There's no tag. A lot of Superstars are not on sale most of the times. Do got them on sale sometimes, so maybe, I don't know. No tag, 95 for these. And then 80 for these, you do get 40 off. This is the Girls Are Awesome one. Kind of weird that it comes out in men's sizes. Another one of those. 85, 50 off. Oh, even the OG ones are on sale. These are usually not on sale. 95, you do get 50 off. So I would assume all of them are like that now. Okay. Do got some Duffman shoes right here. These are huge. I call them the Iron Man one. If that Duff thing wasn't there, that would so look like Iron Man. But yeah, this is the Simpsons collab right here. I don't see a size or a price. They're huge and they're 50% off. These are interesting. The Niza Prides. These are going for $30. Wow, $30 you get 50% off. Size 13. Ultra Boost Lego DNA size 4. Why is this in the men's? Why, like, it shouldn't have been the kids. $160 for those. These are some, I don't know. These are some Stan Smiths. I don't know what that is. Okay. Forum highs right here. These are, why are these in the men's? Shouldn't all these be in the kids? That's the size 5 right here. Go for $120. Ultra Boost DNAs. Look at this. $80 and then you get 50 off. 80 and 50 off, so that's at 45 freaking dollars. That's crazy. Some Stan Smiths right here. Go for $110. Get 50 off. This is a Hulk one. Okay. All right, so I have to ask someone. Red tag is 40% off, so these are $40 for these. That's a size 9. Okay, so I did forget to check the middle section right here. This is where they had all the steals and deals. They don't have that today. All right, check out the Ultra Boost LEs. 2021's going on sale. Oh, shout out to Pedro. I forgot to give him a shout out. Good looking out. We're chopping it up for a few minutes. But yeah, Ultra Boost 2021's right here as well. More 2021s. I guess they're all going for 130 today, except this one, 190 to get 40 off. So that's about 120 probably. And then a few more 2021s. This is like great for Browns fans right here. And then the last one right here, this is 2022 though, okay. And then the backside right here, this is only up to size 5 though. Yeah, this cold ready right here, only size 7. This one down to 90. Yeah, they got a 10 right there, size 10. This one only goes up to size 8.5. This one does go up to size 11, but look at this. Like, these are the random finds. Look, 130, and then this is another 50% off. So $65 for these. So, you know, they are out there. You know, it's gonna work for some of y'all. I'm good on that. This is one I got for my kiddo for $65. They only have to size 5 though. Plenty of big sizes on these, as well as these. Was that one? I don't know. All right, we're checking out the women's section now. Dang, man, that's a bad start. That is a bad start. Dang. Seeing 22s right here, Ultra Boost 22s, $190 down to 130. Got a few different ones. All right, 190. This is off of 22, 190, 40% off. Got a ton of them, okay. $130 seems to be the new outlet price. The outlet base price, that is, okay. Women's sizing a lot better than the men's. And just aisles and aisles, man. 21s right here. More Ultra Boost 21s. Another one of those. Black and white, can't go wrong with that. $90, can't go wrong with that as well. 130, just keeps going on forever. Man, and plenty of Ultra Boost for women, damn. Stan Smiths are excluded from the promo right here. 95 for those. Now what are these? What the hell? And got some more random looking Stan Smiths. 140 off. Got these bad boys right here, $60, 50 off. Excluded. Okay, Superstars, pretty good material right here. 110, get 40 off. OG ones, excluded. All right, that's pretty much about it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Let's wrap it up, man. Need to move on to the next spot. Damn, I'm leaving and now they got a line. Look at that. Wow. Damn, that could be crazy. This one just stays crazy. Dang.